You ready, Piggy? Let him know. Bro, I'm trying to do my schoolwork, bro. Get the fuck out of my way, bro.
Who is that big boy? What's wrong? What happened? Mad hard on it too. So calm. Ooh, babe, go get my belt. Babe, go get my belt.
The bottom line is we need to get a dog for protection. Like if someone tried to break into our house, I'd want to make sure that they were immediately terrified.
Quit. Get away from me. We're not friends anymore. You gotta have a permit for that.
Bitch. Bitch ass dog. Stealing husbands.
Did you call me bitch?
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah.
You better stop cussing.
Let's have a look, see if there's any animals, eh? Corey, get out of the way, man.
Get sexy. Ooh, yes.
Bruh, I'm so hungry I could eat a damn dog.